Ladies and gentlemen, GPT-5 is here, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. Imagine an AI that not only understands your words, but feels the rhythm of your thoughts. GPT-5 brings next-level reasoning, longer memory, and crazy accurate context handling. Whether you're coding, writing, or just brainstorming, it now remembers what you talked about across multiple chats, like a real assistant that grows with you. It's smarter at understanding your tone, style, and even your silence. And guess what? It can now handle audio, images, and videos. Yes, GPT-5 is officially multimodal. You can ask it to watch a video, summarize a podcast, or even design graphics from scratch. And with its blazing speed and more natural responses, it feels less like talking to a bot and more like chatting with a genius friend who just gets you. So buckle up, because this isn't just the future of AI. It's the beginning of a whole new era,